running to Lil Uzi Vert. I'm gonna... Drive past over here. Who the fuck is this? Oh, he be gabbing shit. Damn. Hey, I gotta pull up my phone.
Yeah, my bad, that's your girl. We can share it. Might buy her diamonds and pearls, but can't marry.
Hey man, we just got here to the meet with my boy Rich. What you whipping though? What you man?
Look at that.
Oh, he got some new shit. You dig?
Yes, sir. Look at that.
Oh, that color hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes, sir.
My shit over there. Pop hood, like I got something in it, but we ain't gonna talk about it. It's a pro tune, and we gonna leave it at that. This shit go crazy. Boy, that shit got an engine on that motherfucker. I know that shit run through. Big.
Them shit's tough.
You driving this big shit right here. Look at this shit. Now that's a car. Now that's a car, you know what I mean? But cat SRT8 hard though.
I don't like the cats that got peanut butter seeds.
Shit. Damn, that rap kinda hard. No kizzy.
Y'all seen this car though? Don't buy nobody Porsche.
It's an R33. This motherfucker hard, bro. It's missing the wing though for me. It need the wing for me, bro. You think it's missing the wing?
I mean, it look cleaner like this, but the wing just give it that.
They give it out. What the fuck? It look like it's shit. Just like it's shit. Besides this shit look just like it would.
Is that you?
Bro, this morning coffee shit be lit because it be morning and nobody be on that extra shit.
Definitely.
And this shit packed. And we got here like 30 minutes ago. And everybody and their mother out here already. We had a parking with bubble. Fuck. See? You right here taking my spot. Right here, buddy. What you doing? The bug eye shits. These people that got here early just to park in the middle. Bro, you should got this shit. Hold on, bro. No, ain't no way. We not gonna skip past the fact that you should got this motherfucker.
Get your SR, bro.
You should got an SI, bro. But I told you to get an SI, bro. But this shit clean as a motherfucker. Why you ain't want no SI, bro? Talk to the peoples, bro. It's hard though. I fuck with it. Honda Solo.
This shit's hard though. I don't take nothing away from this car, bro.
But the only difference between this and that hypercar is the engine and the fucking hatchback. This hatchback built it. Hey. Cool guys. I wanna be cool too. Cool guys. Y'all come look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Got an intake.
It look like graffiti low key though. It look like he drew that shit up there.
Yeah, that's
right?
what make that shit harder.
Hell yeah. Bro, really.
Look at the gas.
Oh hell yeah.
Oh, he did it.
That shit hard.
Hard with the shit.
He killed that shit.
Got it.
However he did that shit.
Oh, here, Durham.
That shit hard. And he drew that shit up there. And I'm Porsche. And now we finna walk our ass all the way to fuck over there. Boy, this car me though, bigger than a motherfucker. So far so good though. There's some good shit out here. Bro, say you came from where, bro? Pitch. Nashville, boy.
Nashville.
I would have told you one thing.
Tennessee.
Would have had to miss me, not Tennessee, bro. We got Nashville.
Oh, Asheville. I thought you said Nashville.
Nah, we got Asheville. No, we got Nashville too.
No, Nashville is in Tennessee. That's what I thought you said.
Fuck?
Nashville.
There you go, King. Why body.
It's 3 of them.
If you had to choose right now, which one you take home? The great big body scat? The big body?
Hellcats, man.
What you taking home?
Hellcat Durango.
Where? Oh, we gotta go look at that shit. Well, that shit packed in the mud. Okay. Oh, she ain't go there. New gen? Old gen? Older gen.
Yeah, McLaren. I'm gonna look at it.
What McLaren? It's a wild body, boy. Yeah. I'm motherfucker got a wide body for your wide body. Goddamn.
That shit all that shit in the dash is carbon fiber.
That's just crazy.
Ooh, that junk clean.
Look at that door. What? Back to the Future with me. Yeah. Darn. This collar combo hard as shit. Well, welcome to my new channel with my new car. Stupid at it. And they got carbon fiber in the mirrors. This shit hard. I like this shit. I ain't gonna lie. This like some Toy Story shit. That motherfucker right there. Hard. This shit hard too. That motherfucker. At the old shit. What look at that inside? That old bitty bitch.
That's a stick shift.
Duh. Where? Just ran into Lil Uzi Vert. I'm gonna be the title on my shit. I'm good money.
The dash got 220 on this.
You know what's the title on my video?
Look, Uzi Vert.
Mm-hmm.
That shit got 220 on the dash.
That shit is stupid fast. But yeah, they going crazy. But there's some shit out here. I ain't gonna lie to you.
No cap, right?
What's your favorite joint out here so far?
So far, I ain't even seen. To be honest, I don't know. I got them Benz caught my eyes with the door up and shit. You know?
What, the little
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just hard. King, what's your favorite joint out here so far, my boy? Favorite whippery?
Probably that blue and green shit.
But we ain't even
Oh yeah, that blue and shit was hard.
That shit was hard. I ain't gonna say it's the favorite, but it's the favorite color.
Yeah, that blue and green shit was hard. That damn Supra was hard as shit. But now we finna go to where the rich people are, you know what I mean? To where the Ferraris at.
I'm gonna make sure I stay at 5 feet to keep social distance in
I'm
front
not
of these
trying to touch
cars.
nothing, you know what I mean? I'm distance.
Social distance from their car.
Ain't no way in hell I'm paying for some shit out here. I'm about to run for my life. On me. But yeah, gang. Boy, I'm hungry as shit. Hold on, we about to get some food too, on me.
Oh, they got Chipotle. This is when I might need to turn around.
Ain't no way. Oh my God.
My dream car right here, bro.
Yeah, damn.
Hey, I gotta pull out my phone
What
on
the
this
fuck
one.
shit is this? Where you work at? Give me a job.
Today.
Yeah.
I'll drop everything I got going on tomorrow.
You can take my little Type R.
It tastes the same. What tastes the same? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, damn.
Jason, it tastes the same.
Boy, that motherfucker about hard as hell. Yeah, yo, King, bro.
Nah, yeah, that shit rough.
Yeah, I gotta look at the bike.
Whatever the fuck you do.
God damn. That shit hard as hell. Oh my God. Holy fuck. Jesus Christ.
That's why I like the end, because I had that adventure.
Bruh.
But that shit.
That shit's so hard, bro. That color is stupid. I'm about to go to work today.
I'm about to work a little bit harder, you know? See, the car made me want to upgrade, but then seeing this shit made me want to work harder. I gotta go a little harder. I ain't going hard enough yet.
I'm getting shit on this motherfucker. Sheesh. Boy. But boy. Oh shit, that's a fucking Viper. That shit caught me lacking. That's a Viper. That's up. That shit caught me off guard, like a motherfucker.
Nigga, that La Ferrari over there?
Bro, I don't know what the fuck we got. The fuck we found this? Why they giving this shit away? They ain't no way. People got some money in life, man.
Well, that's crazy. You gotta have some expensive to get in this shit.
I would've on my Honda shit.
He didn't move that shit for nobody else. As soon as that shit pulled up,
I wanna record that motherfucker. Get the fuck out of my way. That shit hard. That's that yellow one. You gonna turn that shit off right there. Told you.
so now we have 1.7 Ferrari.
I need happy as a motherfucker. Need to be like you when I grow up. Hold on, nigga. We got same. Fucking super. The OG.
Pipe on the side.
The real one.
Look like the pipe on the side, didn't
That's the OG. That's the one that started all of it. Oh, this is a new one, matter of fact. Looking around. Oh, it's an S2000. I gotta go look. Dumb S2000 right here. Type hard. The bag's different on this one though. Low like it. Right? Or am I tripping? Oh, it's a drop top. It's a drop top.
Oh, yeah.
It's a hard top too.
Ninja sword face.
That's hard. This shit's hard.
Yeah.
It's the old shit right here. Boy, how many gears that shit got? 5? 3? 4?
How much is it? 5.
What's on the dash?
140.
God dang. Ooh wee. Ooh.
That's a big ass turbo.
That's the fuck that shit is.
I mean, intake.
Nah, that's a turbo. Intake on the other side.
What the man?
That's
Bro, I'm
turbo.
sitting here, man, I'm fucking looking.
We don't talk about it.
I'm still asleep, bro.
That shit is crazy. Boy, how ski, he gonna leave, nigga. Oh wait, what the fuck this shit say? How fast you go, man? Oh, there we go. Too fast for my blood. I would've got the shaking in this motherfucker. I would've missed.
Fiber, that shit's so clean.
Don't touch that motherfucker.
That shit carbon
They gonna
fiber.
charge. Oh, this my twin right here. It's me. And they took my shit, bro. That's fucked up, gang. I'm motherfucking crazy right here. It's a Supra. I think this is a Supra from that night. Wasn't it black?
Yeah.
I think that's it, bro.
What? That nigga intake is by itself. Oh, fuck.
That shit clean.
It's good to put intakes in the box like that, but at the same time, it's not because it's put off circulation.
Fuck that circulation.
I'm about to end up with there, but fuck it.
Now we gonna be. Shit, it's crazy. Fuck that llama. What up? You drive past over here. Who the fuck is this? Man, we about to get some goddamn Panera bread and we about to fly back over here. God damn. What is that? That shit go. Yeah, fuck that shit do. Adios, friends. Anyways, we just got some goddamn Panera bread. What you get, bro?
The normal caramel ready crunch,
What's that over there?
and then caramel frappe.
Okay.
That's always delicious. They never let me down.
You know, me and my boy Keem stuck to the motherfucking regular basic and got motherfucking bacon and cheese. You fuck up my bacon and cheese, we're gonna have some motherfucking bacon and cheese.
The one by my house is a little bit better.
We just got done eating goddamn Panera bread. First time I ate that motherfucker, that shit was smack deli up. So shout out my boy Reach. Dude, man, that's an integra. But anyways, we about to go see the other goddamn
back up here by the
half of this motherfucker. Type R and shit over there.
I'm gonna walk back over here so I can show my car.
Boy. That shit crazy. That motherfucking NSX is stupid though. But that NSX go crazy. Imagine having a fucking NSX, bro. What the fuck? This shit hard as hell too. Big wide body in that motherfucker. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck this is. But this shit's tight fire. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's fire though. I fuck with it. Mumble one shit. Yeah, of course. Oh, he be gapping shit.
That's just fun. We gotta go back up. Goddamn hot out there, man.
I got damn number. No, Mumble one. Alright, oh, it's damn alright. That shit whipping it. That's a V10, nigga. What? This motherfucker nice. What the fuck? Then they got a vehicle number edge and this shit. 6-speed manual. The fuck, for real? Oh shit, that shit hard as fuck. That shit lit as hell. Color hard, you see how it changes though? As you move around? That shit hard as hell. 2019.
I like that shit hard.
Stir the peas. DTP. I fuck with that shit. That's what you would do, King. Put some shit like that on your whip. They color hard as shit. I fuck with that shit. Alright. Oh wait.
You about to hit it? You about to...
We gotta start the other side, bro. Ah, shit! Bring that ass here. God damn, why though? Come on, that's some bullshit now. GTI. I don't like that shit. Hate that motherfucker. Fuck it. Damn motherfucker, flying in that shit. But it's still damn early for all this goddamn speeding. I'm about to hop on my shit and do it 100. Oh shit, what you finna do? No, he not. He turned that shit off. Oh, that went to his. Yeah, back to full bite. He's in the car, slow the fuck down. Hey, he's slamming on his brakes and shit.